My name is David Omick. I am a designer and user of composting toilets. I've been using composting toilets for almost 25 years. A composting toilet is a waterless toilet that utilizes microbes to break down human sewage into a nutritious plant fertilizer known as compost. Okay, so this is the barrel composting toilet system. This particular system involves 2 barrels, which is the size required for 1 person in full-time use. To determine sizing, you basically take the number of adults who will be using the toilet full-time, plus 1 is the number of barrels required in the system. So for 2 people in full-time use, it takes 3 barrels. These barrels are 55-gallon plastic drums. They are made of high-density polyethylene. They are fully recyclable and widely available. And one of the reasons we chose him as sort of the basis of the design was for those reasons, and also relatively inexpensive. The toilet consists of the barrel, a wooden top, which is finished with a waterproof finish, toilet seat, a 3-part ventilation system, and you'll notice that we have 2 barrels here. The top is removable, so the barrel is basically used until it's about 3/4 full. Then the top is removed and set over an adjacent barrel, and that barrel is used until it's full. Now, the barrel that has the top on it and that is being used on a day-to-day basis is known as the active barrel. So to talk in a little more detail about the various components of the toilet, why don't we start with the toilet seat. This is an ordinary round toilet seat. We have added closed cell adhesive foam weather stripping around the lid and around the seat. The function of these is to keep insect vectors that we talked about earlier in the introduction from entering the toilet. Right behind the toilet seat, you'll see 3 plumbing fittings.